Yeah,
hey
man.
guys, welcome to the channel. We have a special car feature. This is a very nice VIP style GS.
Yeah.
What have you done to your car, man?
Honestly, just painted the car, full paint job with. I did a double pearl, so that just shines in the sun.
Oh yeah, it looks
Brand
nice.
new headlights, Junction Produce 3-piece lip, Projekt K3 wheels, discontinued, 20x10 all around.
Yep.
5-inch lip in the rear, 3-inch lip in the front.
Looks good.
The LS big brake kit upgrades in the front. Junction Produce pillows. I got Megan sway bars rear and front.
Nice.
Airtech management.
Okay.
The airlift suspension for airbags.
Okay, so the bags.
Drift out like exhaust. IS300 headers.
Oh, IS300 headers. Okay. Look at this, guys. This thing is slam. And look at this drift Dialects exhaust. What kind of rear wing is this?
Oh, that's the Junction Produce.
Oh, Junction Produce. Okay, 3-piece.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. This is pretty nice, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. And what kind of rear? Is this the Aristo visors?
Aristo visors.
Yep, Aristo visors. Yep. Yep.
Toyota on them.
Oh yeah, this is the real deal right here. Yep. There's a JZS 161 visors. Yep. And the front lip is
Junction Produce as well.
okay, nice.
To match the Aristo front.
Wow, this is dope, man.
Appreciate it.
Very nice, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
There you guys. I mean, this is one thing I love about the GS. You know, you can pretty much
You can do speed or show.
speed of show, drift, track. You know, you pretty much customize the way you want it. You have a lot of aftermarket support.
Yep.
Yeah, for these
And they run.
chassis. Yep.
They can run up to like 300, 400,000 miles, no problem.
Oh yeah.
Once you maintain it, it's Toyota.
Yep. I mean, it's 2J.
Exactly.
Yep, 2J. Yeah. Yep. And then I mean, it has potential too. You know, you could turbo the NA. You know,
100%.
or you could just do the GTE swap, the Aristo swap. You know.
Yeah, that is true. One of my boys in New York actually has a right-hand drive Aristo.
Oh, nice.
98. Black with black interior,
Oh.
bags. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, but man, dude, like this is a beautiful paint. Like
Appreciate
pearl
it.
white is my favorite color on these.
Look at the pearl. I don't know if you can see it. Well,
Oh yeah, yeah. I can see the flakes.
yeah.
Yeah. So you're not in sunlight right
Only
now,
in the
but
sun,
you can
yeah.
see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. This is nice, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
And what's the specs on the wheels again?
20 by 9 in the front.
Okay, 20 by 9.
10 in the back.
Yeah, 20 by 10. 3-inch lip, 5-inch lip and rear. So yeah, this thank you for showing your car, man, on the channel.
man.
I appreciate it.
No problem, bro. Anytime.
Alright guys, hope you guys like this build. It's very clean.
How we going, bro?